Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel 12 series. So we have completed up till part 100, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can able to download these part 100 video source code so that you can able to do the basic e-commerce website in Laravel 12, and you can place the COD order with the working card and checkout process. Okay, so I'm going to explain you. First of all, I'm going to show you the website that we have done so far. So this is the home page of our website, and you can see the listing page, okay, along with the filters, and you can see the detail page. Okay, you can select this side. Here you can see the description, vascular reviews, and you can see the you may also like feature as well. Okay, so you can select any of the product and add to cart as well. Okay, once you will add the product to the card, you can see the card page. Here you can apply the coupon code, or you can apply the credit as well. After uh, after adding product to the card, you can go to the checkout page. Here you can add the delivery address. Okay, so after adding the delivery address, you can then place the order. Let's add any address. I'm going to give the India address. Okay, okay, from here you can able to add the address, and after adding the address you can place the cash on delivery order that we have done. We are going to select this address, and we can place the order, cash on delivery order. Okay, thank you, your order is confirmed, and we can check the order details as well. Okay, and along with that you can see the complete admin panel along with all the modules, all the e-commerce module that you will get in this part 100. Okay, and going to login. Password is 123456. Admin at the rate of admin.com. Right, once again, 123456. Okay, so here you can see this admin panel, full featured admin panel you will get. Okay, you can update the password, update details. You can create the sub admins that can manage the different modules, and then the catalog management. You can manage the categories, edit categories, CRUD for the categories, then CRUD for the brands, CRUD for the products. After that, you can see the filters management. All the filters you can add from the admin panel itself. Okay, so the orders management, we have done that orders management as well. The orders will come up here, and you can even update those orders, and see the coupon management as well. Okay, you can add any number of coupons, then banners you can add from the panel. From here, the users and currencies, you can add any currencies into this is the full featured currency module you will get. So you can add as many currencies as you want. Here you can just select the currency. Okay, you can see those product prices in those currencies that you want. Okay, so the CMS pages you can add from the end panel. Then the reviews, complete review system. Once the reviews will be added by the user, then the admin is going to approve those reviews from the end panel. Then the complete wallet system. Okay, complete wallet system. The wallet, you can add the credit to the user so that they can use it, and here you will see the those transactions as well. Okay, so the complete admin panel, full featured admin panel you will get. So for getting, you can see the steps here in the video description as well. So you are required to open the sidemakers.in, and here you are going to click on login, and I will provide you the username and password, these login credentials. Once you will join as a member, here are many links to join. You can join with this link, you can join with the PayPal, you can join with the YouTube, you can join with the debit or credit card, you can join uh, with my Google Pay after scanning this okay, QR code, and you can also scan this QR code to join via Paytm as well. Okay, if you are from India, you can join with the Paytm, or you can join with the Google Pay, or if you are international user, you can join with the YouTube or PayPal as well. Okay, so there are many ways to join. Once you will join, I will send you the credentials, login credentials, so that you can able to log in. And once you will log in, you are required to click on this download link here. Once you will click on this download link, here you can see at the top, download multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel 12 part 1 to 100. You can just simply click on this one. then your download will start. Okay, and once it will get downloaded, very basic steps are there. I have explained in the description as well that what you are required to do. Just 3 4 steps. In just 3 4 steps your website will work. Okay, so see, the download is done. Now I am going to copy this to my XAMPP folder. You are just required to copy this to your XAMPP folder. Here is my XAMPP folder. I am going to copy this one here. Okay, then I am going to simply extract this one. See, here you can see the ecom 12 folder. I'm going to rename this folder. I'm going to make it project 12 underscore 100. You can you can select any name of your own choice. Okay, it's your choice. And then I'm going to open the Sublime and we'll move this folder there. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut and we'll add it outside of it. Okay. So I'm going to now move it here. Now in env file, I'm just going to make one change here. I'm going to rename its database. You can also do like this, okay? Project uh, 12 underscore 100, so that these are the hundreds videos source codes. So see, so uh, renaming it will be useful in future. You are going to know that this is the up till 100 part. Okay, so project 12 underscore 100. Earlier we have done project 12 underscore 50. Now we are doing project 12 underscore 100. Just create the database of it. Okay, and after that, one simple step that you are going to do, we are just going to run this command php artisan migrate fresh seed, so that it will populate the database with all the required columns. Okay, so that thing we are going to do for this ecom 12 underscore. So you can run with the command prompt, or you can run with the terminal, or if you have git bash installed, you can simply run in git bash. You can simply run this command in your git bash. Okay, so see, it will generate these table, create these tables and populate these tables with the data, and now we can able to run the php artisan serve. Simply php artisan serve. Make sure I am not running. I'm going to just stop the earlier one and I'm going to run this one. Okay, so it's running now. So here I'm going to run once again the project that you will get. This is the project that you will get. Okay, see, you will get the complete e-commerce website, the basic e-commerce website in Laravel 12, where you can place the COD order as well. Okay, here you can open any of the categories. From here also you can open any of the categories. Okay, so once you will open the category, you can see two dummy products filters are also working on the left sidebar. You can see. Okay, so here you will select any of the products. You can see the zoom as well, basic zoom, and then you can able to add that product to the cart. Okay, once the product is added to the cart, then you can simply proceed to checkout. See, there is no user, so you need to register. So you are going to register. So I'm going to register like this. Any username or password you can give. So make sure the password is, you need to confirm the password here. We will register as customer. Later on, we will also do the vendor module as well. Okay, so we will simply register from here. Then you will directly logged in. After login, now we can go to the card. Now we can click on proceed to checkout. We can add here the delivery address. We can select any country, or the basic that UK country is default country. Uh, uh, okay, save address. Then we are going to select this address and we'll place the COD order. Okay, so order has been placed. We can go in my order section to see that the order has been placed. Okay, and the same order we can see in admin panel just by opening the admin panel. So you will get this complete source code up till part 100. Once you will join as an advanced member, you are just required to join as the advanced member to get the source code of Laravel 12 e-commerce project and all the support that you will get. See, we able to open the complete admin panel here, and you can go in the orders management and you can see, okay, here. Okay, and also see this image is not coming in, don't worry, you can simply update the details here, add the image, okay, and then this image will come up here. Okay, so everything is working fine as far as the admin as and the basic e-commerce website is concerned. Okay, along with the COD, so everything will work fine perfectly. Okay, so just you follow these steps. You can also see the steps under video. Just follow these steps, join as a member. You can also click on this link to join as a member. Here I have given the link as well under video. Become a channel member. Okay, click on this link and then you can able to see the here. See, there are few of the membership, basic, premium, advanced, superior, genius. You at least require the advanced membership to get the source code of Laravel 12 series. Okay. Here also I mentioned get Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce source code. So please join as an advanced member to get the source code. I have spent too much time, too much effort, taken the help from various paid AIs. Okay. And only then I able to create such a code that is really helpful if you are a student. For your project, it is really helpful. If you are going for a Laravel interview, then it is also really helpful. And if you are making some project, some e-commerce project, then once again, it is really helpful for you. And if you are a new developer, fresher in the company, Laravel fresher in the company, then it's the most important that you can join as an advanced member and get the source code, because this is the latest source code that I have built with the services, requests, and the resource controller that I have explained you in the beginning of the series. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.